Hello, welcome back. It's been a while. This is the car, more or less as it was when I left last time. So as you can remember, there was an earth cable. It's connected in there now. I put an end on it. That's all connected. So I've done this. Just put bolts on where all the earths are. Linked all the earths to the battery. So as you can see, fuse box still here, stuff like that. So all that's left is connect the battery up and see what happens. I've not tried it yet. I've no idea if me thinning all the wires out is going to work, so I'll go around there and see what happens. So this is the live terminal. So, yeah, tight enough to try things. So, don't make any funny noises, which is good. Go over here. Nothing there yet. Where's the key? So that's the ignition on, I think. Yep. Ignition on. Nothing on there, but a reflection from the GoPro light. Where's the alarm thing? The alarm thing is there. Try that on the fob. Nothing. Right, as you can see, it's not going to plan. What happens if I try and start it? Nothing. Right, I'll have to have another look around. First thing I'll do is I'll test if there's power to the fuse box, and then take it from there. It's a bit of a mess, as you can see, there's stuff everywhere, so I don't know what I was expecting it to work, to be honest. But there we go, I've got to try these things. So yeah, I'll check this power there, then to the ignition, then to maybe the ECU or whatever. But yeah, I'll get on with that and get back to you. Right, I'm a bit confused with this one. It's not easy. So I've got power to the main fuse box, power to the other fuse box. Yes, most of the wires are cut out, but apparently these are all the ones that I need to keep. I hope. We hope. I've got power to the ignition, and when I turn the key, power comes out the ignition to other fuses and stuff like that. I haven't got any power, no power to the dash I'll call it. Got 12 volts to the starter. Check the earths. The engine's earth, starter's earth. There's earth to the dash. I don't know if that has an earth. The ignition's supposed to have an earth, no idea. There's no power to this alarm relay thing. So yeah, I'm a bit stumped. See, there's a lot of relays like this. Don't know what it does. I'm still getting power, but well, I think it's getting power. Check on those actually. Don't know what they do. All the fuses are okay in there. See that one, I've not chopped anything off that one, so that's still churning, sending power everywhere. I've got power to that 10 amp on there. That does the ECU, I believe. But I'm going to have a look at some wiring diagrams. I think check this power to the ECU. I presume the ECU sends power up to here. But yeah, I'm going to have a look at wiring diagrams. The only thing I'm not sure of is this the alarm thing. It's not, the alarm's not connected to the ECU, but it's got some wiring in. Taking the sensor alarm side of the alarm off. There's just the ignition bit now with the let you touch your fob onto there, and that's the controller for it there. But all that comes out of it is a load of black wires, unmarked. So I presume it's so you can't just cross two wires and start the car. But then it joins into like there. I think the white with the red, I think, is a permanent feed or ignition feed. So yeah, unknown. And when I was stripping the car, I think it was on this box, there was a sticker from 1991 for the alarm. There's no brand on the alarm. I can't even look that up. So, but the wiring diagrams that I've seen for these early Mark 1s, I think this was a H-Reg car, the running gears off. Every one or two wiring diagrams I looked at, the cables are in different orders here, so I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to basically look at a wiring diagram, follow the ignition feed as such from the fuse box to the ignition key. Where it goes after that, I don't know, because there's so many cables, and this is after I've thinned it out. There's so many cables going different places. It's and I'm actually know a little bit about wiring and yeah, not a total novice, but this kind of thing's totally out my league. So most of the wires, 98% of the wires from the to and from the ECU are still connected. All I've done is basically stripped lights, indicators, radio crap out. So I might have snipped an earth somewhere, or there's no earth to the ECU. But I don't want to go just jabbing a tester into the ECU. So yeah, wiring diagram time. If anyone has any tips or links to any wiring diagrams for these MX5s, it's a H-Reg one, like I said, Mark 1, 1600. Or if anyone spots something totally obvious that I've missed out to test, then please let me know. So yeah, so I haven't been posting any videos for a while. That's how it is. Just had a bit of a chance today to do some work on it. The Land Rover is gone, as you've probably noticed from if you've been subscribed for a while. Don't keep cars very long, so now I have a van. But I'm not even going to show that on the channel because it probably won't be around for long. So yeah, and as you've seen from my last video, I've had a very interesting project coming up next, which is a Mark 1 Escort, which I'm very, very lucky to get hold of. And yeah, but that's got a lot of work on that, and I've not really got anywhere to do it yet. So I just need to sort some room out next week, get it washed first, because get all the salt, because it's been on the coast in North Wales, sat in one spot for 5 years. So, but it did drive to there, so it's not looking the best. And the bonnet got a bit of rust underneath in the bonnet and caught the wind, but there we go. So yeah, disconnect the battery from this thing like that to make it safe. Keep the tester, and close the garage door for another few days on it, have a look at some wiring diagrams, and yeah, as soon as I get a chance to play on it again, I'll let you guys know. So if you want to see more, subscribe, like the video. Cheers, see you next time.